Hey guys, on a Black Friday, I had a chance to get super budget phone, which is the Nokia one. So I'm gonna unbox. You can see this Black Friday box. So here we go. Nokia one, the budget smartphone. Uh, I've get around this one around 50 dollars. It's a budget Android smartphone, Nokia One 4.5-inch display with 1 GB of RAM and 9 GB of internal storage, expandable with a micro SD card up to 126 GB, 5 megapixel of main camera with LED flash, 2 megapixel front-facing camera, uh, exchangeable battery doors, not included of course. So it comes with Android's Oreo Go edition, which is lightweight uh, edition of Android Oreo. This one is red color. Anyway, so go ahead and unbox it. Here we go. Nokia One. Sorry, this is the block cover. So here is the user manuals, warranty card, and etc. Headphones. With microphone, 3.5 headphone jack. So the general price of this Android Nokia One is $100. Have get on big discount. USB cable, micro USB. And last one is the battery. (2,150 milliampere per hour). Not a big battery, but for a 4.5-inch display, it's very, very good. So. It's a dual SIM 2. Here is on the top is the micro SD slot. And here we go. Final. Powered by Android Go Edition. As I said, it's a lightweight version of Android Oreo, fastest and smoothest working on budget phones. It's especially developed for these devices like this one. So full support of languages, as you can see. Let's start. My first impression of display is very good quality. Especially with this resolution. It's not HD resolution. This is the plastic, of course. Main camera with LED flash, loudspeaker, volume button, volume rocker, 3.5 headphone jack. Uh, so it's an Android Pure version without bloatwares and apps like on other branded phones. As you can see, it's working very fast and smooth with 1 gig of RAM. Let's see how much free memory we have. So, I found can find the RAM in the settings. Anyway, it's working very cool, very fast. Really fast with this hardware, but also is hardly optimized. It's a true Android Go working very fast. So FM radio, as you can see, it's a Go, Android Go labeled apps. Minimize and minimalist apps included. So we have 5 GB free of 8 GB storage, gestures, ambient display, wake screen when you are safe notification. This is a cool feature. Yes, it's working very amazing. Let's see the sound performance. Not bad speaker. It's not louder, but good. It's switched off. Nice device for this price. But the notification is turned off. On. Camera is fixed focus, there is no autofocus. As you can see, it can focus. Okay guys, this is the quick review of the Nokia One budget phone, around $100, fastest and smoothest with this hardware. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on next video. Bye.